Hello, second grade. This is Module 3, Lesson 21, and our objective today is I can complete a pattern counting up and down. So first we have the application problem here, and it says Rahim is reading a really exciting book. He's on page 98. If he reads 10 pages every day, on what page will he be in 3 days? So go ahead and push pause and then push play when you're done solving this. Alright, so let's compare our answers. So the first thing that I did was I drew 98 here. So I drew 90 and then 8 ones here. And then I added 3 more 10s because he read 3 pages, or he read 10 pages for 3 days. So you need to add 10 more, or 3 more 10s here. So 1, 2, 3. And then what I did is I grouped the 10 10s, which makes how many? If I have 10 10s, what does that make? 100, right? So this is 100, plus I have 2 10s here, and plus 8 ones. So I did 100 plus 20 plus 8 equals 128. So Rahim will be on page 128 when he's done with his 10 pages for 3 days. So I have a line of numbers here, and I want you to look at them and figure out what you notice about them. So the first one is 372, 472, 572, 672, 772. What do you notice about these numbers? You could have said that the ones place is staying the same, the tens place is staying the same, but the hundreds place is changing on each of these. Are the numbers going up or down? Which one? Are they going up or down? Right, they're going up. Now, the next thing I need to figure out, are these numbers going up by ones, tens, or hundreds? Well, we said that the ones place stayed the same in all of them, and that the tens place stayed the same in all of them. So that means that the 100s place is the one that's changing. Okay, so I have another set of numbers here, and I want you to watch. Alright, so what do you notice about these numbers? As the numbers are counting, as we count from left to right, are the numbers going up or are they going down? Did you say that the numbers are going up? You are right. The numbers are going up as we count. Are they going up by ones, tens, or hundreds? Well, let's look. Are the ones place staying the same in each of these? No, they are not. Is the tens? Yes, the tens is staying the same. Is the hundreds place staying the same? Yes, the hundreds place is staying the same in each of them. So that means that we're going up by ones. Okay, so here is the next set of numbers. Alright, So look carefully. Are these numbers going up or down? Remember, we look from left to right. So look from left to right and see if they are going up or down. Did you say that the numbers are going down? You are absolutely correct. Now we need to figure out, are they going down by ones, tens, or hundreds? Let's look at the ones place. Is the ones place staying the same? Yes, it is. How about the tens place? Is the tens place staying the same? No, it is not. Is the hundreds place staying the same? Yes, the hundreds place stayed the same. So we can say that these numbers are going down by tens. Alright, let's look at these here. We need to figure out, are these numbers going up or are they going down? Right, these numbers are going down. Now we need to figure out, are they going up, are they going down by ones, tens, or hundreds? Right, they're going down by tens. Alright, so now what we need to do is we need to take those strategies where we look to see if the numbers are going up or down, and if they're going up by tens or down by tens, or up by ones or down by ones, or up by hundreds or down by hundreds. So we're going to take that strategy and we're going to be able to fill in the blank. So the first thing we need to do is we need to look to see if these numbers are going up or down. Let's look at this first one here. It's 671. Then we have two blanks. Then we go to 641. So is 641 greater or less than 671? It's less than. So we know that these numbers are going down. Now we need to figure out, are they going down by ones, tens, or hundreds? Let's look at these two numbers here because they're right next to each other. So we can figure out if they went down by 10, if they went down by 1, or if they went down by 100. Let's look at the ones place. Did those change? No, they did not. How about the tens place? Did those change? Yes, they did. So that we know that these numbers are going down by tens. So we know that we need to count down by tens. So let's fill in these blanks. What number would come after 671 if we were counting down by tens? 661. Remember, the only number that we're changing is we're changing the tens because we're going down by tens. So what would we fill in this blank with? What number would come after 661 if we're going down by tens? 651. Good. Alright, here's the next one. First we need to figure out, are these numbers going up or down? Did you say that these numbers are going down? You are right. Are these numbers going down by ones, tens, or hundreds? Did you say that these numbers are going down by hundreds? You are right. If you look at the hundreds place, you see that it goes 5, 4, 3. If we're counting down, what number would come next? So 571, 471, 371, 271. What would come after 271 if we're counting down by hundreds? 171 and then 71. Okay, so I'm going to let you figure this one out on your own. So push pause and then push play when you're done. Okay, so what did you say? Did you say that these numbers were going up or down? I said they were going up. Did you say that they were going up by ones, tens, or hundreds? I said they were going up by ones. Now let's fill in the blanks. What did you put in for this first blank here? You should have counted up by ones. So what would come next if we're counting by ones after 375? 376, 377, what comes here? 378, what comes here? 379, 380. Excellent job. It is your turn to do this all by yourself. You're going to get your exit ticket. You are going to fill in all of these blanks. Make sure you use that strategy that you just learned. And you are going to take a picture of it and then send it to your teacher. Good luck.